Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. And here the Facebook as well as the Telegram group, both the two groups I started, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And in this video, we are going to see the PhD entrance test from one of the government university. Here the total 139 vacant seats are there from the 36 departments. Eligibility is the PG. And the candidates who are having the UGC NET qualification, those candidates are exempted from the written test. Going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator for the electronic science as well as the paper 1. So here the complete course for the UGC NET electronic science as well as the paper 1 MCQ series is going to start. That means electronic science already started and the MCQ series is going to start. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, it is a Tripura University. It is a central university, guys. And this notification released on 24th Feb 2021. So PhD admission notice, academic session 2022-21. So here the research eligibility test 2020 under the different departments and faculty of science and arts and commerce of Tripura University. And here you may check down the total, nearly 130 vacancies are there. So it is a very good opportunity. Utilize this one, guys. And here the departments are botany, chemical and polymer engineering, chemistry, computer science, electrical, electronics and communication, forest and biodiversity, geography and disaster management, human physiology and information technology, library and information science, material science and engineering, mathematics, microbiology, molecular biology, physics, statistics and zoology. While coming to the total here 18 departments. And coming to the arts and commerce, Bengali, business management, commerce, economics and education, history, law, linguistics and philosophy, political science, physical education, psychology, rural studies, Sanskrit, sociology, tribal studies and ethnics, English, music. So here the 18. So total 18 plus 18, 36 departments are there. 36 subjects are there. So nearly 130 vacancies, and the eligibility is a master's degree with 55% of marks in the concerned subject. And the candidates who fulfill all other essential requirements as mentioned above and have cleared UGC or CSIR JRF examinations, NET or SET or SLET or GATE or teacher fellowship holders, or have passed the MPhil examination or have worked in Tripura University in the capacity of regular faculty for more than 1 year are not required to appear in the written test of the RET exam. So however, they will have to face the directly Viva Voice for the admission, and the application form fill up is through online mode. No offline applications are there. So the displaying of list of eligible candidates, the list of eligible candidates candidates eligible to appear in the RET 2020-21 shall be displayed in the Tripura University website itself. And coming to the admit card, applicants shall download their admit card from online portal and the date of examination. So it will be notified later. And the research eligibility test 2021 exam conducted for the 200 marks. It is split up into the two segments, written test as well as the Viva Voice, and the candidates qualifying the written test and those exempted from the written test shall face the Viva Voice examination in the concerned department. So written test and Viva Voice 100 marks each based on the postgraduate syllabus. Fine. And the qualifying marks of the RET exam is the 50%. Next. Question pattern for written test. There shall be 50 short questions of 2 marks each for the written test of the RET. And qualifying an RET does not entitle a candidate to get admission into the PhD program. Why? Because they have to successfully clear the interview, Viva Voice round also. So, and few general instructions are given here. Applicant should apply online only, and the duration of filling up of online application from 26th Feb to 26th March. Okay, so these are the different details, guys. So here the application fee is 800 rupees for UR, EWS and OBC and 600 rupees for the SC, ST and PWD candidates. Okay, so I will provide this PDF link at the end of this description box, so the interested candidates may check down this. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGCNET candidates who are preparing for the UGCNET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGCNET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGCNET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to